Is it a complete sacrifice if he comes back after 3
Many
days?
animals have been used to sacrifice to cover the sin of the people
He raised him up.
in the past.
Yeah? After how many days?
Let me answer him. Are you the minister? Or
So then after 3 days,
He's a layman. I'm a bishop. Let me talk to you.
you're a very rude bishop because you're not waiting for him to finish.
No.
I'd like to finish my conversation.
No, because he's a layman.
Is this what you're taught in the Bible? Is this how you're taught to preach?
Yes, that's how we
Well,
talk.
I don't really like this aspect
He's
of
a
preaching.
layman. I'm a bishop. I'm a professional person.
Then frankly, I don't want to speak to somebody rude like you.
Thank you very much.
So the bishop appreciates being called rude. What sort of bishop is this?
Yes.
This is the bishop that goes diagonally on a chessboard, not the bishop from the church.
Well, that's